So I graduated with a degree in economics from college
Mm.
and pretty much went straight into learning how to trade. I took a course at Trading Academy in Houston, learned how to do futures and options trading, and then moved on and learned about Forex. And that's what led me into crypto, which pretty much 2018, I started trading Bitcoin and um, have just been doing that ever since, pretty much. And I started looking into proprietary trading firms and found Alphachain and saw it as the perfect opportunity to get some learning from professionals instead of like continuing on the self-taught route and find a community. Um, I'm pretty sure it was just through a internet search. Um, and I was reading good reviews about it. Oh yeah, tons of value. That's one of the things that I thought was amazing about Alpha Chain was the fact that it's not just proprietary trading. You are actually dealing with a professional that also does this. So it's also not some trading guru. It's someone else who's waking up and doing his trades and doing analysis every day. So it's definitely motivating and inspiring. And then he also has lots of good information that I've learned from him. I was working on testing the strategy that I wanted to use. And it was pretty, so I've been trading Bitcoin since before I joined Alpha Chain. And the strategy I used was based on Fibonacci retracements. So when I took when I started doing the global trading program with Alpha Chain, I noticed that Alpha Chain also has a Fibonacci retracement strategy for Bitcoin. So my final project was pretty much to take that basic strategy and um, add some more confirmations to it, find ways to make it more accurate than just using a Fibonacci retracement. I started using pivot points to align with it and looking for confirmation from a couple of other um, indicators. So it was, and that final project is really the reason I was interested in the global trading program is because we actually got to go through the process and learn how to create our own strategy or do a back test um, and have real proof to show that the strategy works and is profitable. So that's
Cool.
one thing that I was never able to learn how to do on my own. Definitely a little anxious, I would say, but at the same time, I think that the incubation period and or the rules for the incubation trader incubation and the way you scale up is this is the best way I think I've ever gone about starting a trading account. Um, the rules are there just to keep you from blowing up your account, which is it's I feel like um, it's pretty much the best uh, setup it can be for someone to learn how to properly trade profitably. Like the rules are there so that you don't lose everything, and as long as you stick to them, um, and you stick to the strategy, then all you can all you can do is keep consistently going with the plan, and it won't go bad, which is amazing. I when you take the emotions out of it and you just stick with a strategy, it's so much easier to be a professional trader, which I didn't have a true grasp of it until I came into Alphachain, had to stick to the rules and uh, all of that. I mean, everything about it has pretty much set me up to make me a profitable trader, I think. I don't know. My goal moving forward is to just become a consistent trader for Alphachain. 100%, yeah. I've already recommended it to a friend of mine. He just has a full-time job, so he's waiting till he can get a little break. But yeah, I would absolutely recommend Alphachain.